Hello friends, today we are going to learn about section B, example number 13, page number 59. For two events A and B in a sample space, A intersection B is equal to phi and A union B is equal to U. State the values of P of A intersection B and P of A union B. So here A intersection B is equal to given phi and A union B is equal to U. Then we have to find the value of A intersection B. So if A intersection B is equal to phi, then the value of A intersection B, that is 0. And if A union B is equal to U, so value of U, that is 1. Now, example number 14. If two events A and B in a sample space are independent, then state the formula for P of A union B. So here A and B are independent events and we have to write the formula of A union B. So actually the formula of A union B, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. But if A and B are independent events, so at that time A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So here example number 14. A union B, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And if A and B are independent event, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And the value of A intersection B, that is A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So minus P of A into P of B. So actually the formula, that is A union B, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And if A and B are independent events, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B. Now example number 15. If A is equal to 15, if A x belongs to 0, less than x less than 1, B is equal to 1 by 4, less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, then find P of A intersection B. So here example number 15. A is equal to 0, less than x less than 1, where where b is equal to 1 by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, and we have to find p of a intersection b. तो यहाँ पर a के अंदर वैल्यू है 0 to 1, मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ x इज मोर देन 0 बट लेस देन 1, तो 0 से ज़्यादा और 1 से कम है. b इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4 मीन्स 0.25 और उससे ज़्यादा, एंड 3 और लेस देन 3, और आपको a और b के अंदर कॉमन लाना है. तो यहाँ पर 0 to 1 के बीच की वैल्यू है, b के अंदर 0.25 और उससे ज़्यादा 3 से कम की वैल्यू है. सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन बिटवीन a इंटरसेक्शन b? जैसे यहाँ पर 1 by 4 मीन्स 0.25, तो 0 to 1 के अंदर भी 0.25 तो आ ही जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर 1 तक वैल्यू ले सकते हो और यहाँ 3 है. तो व्हाट इज द कॉमन बिटवीन a एंड b? तो a के अंदर 0 to 1 है, यहाँ पर 0.25 to 3 है, मतलब 0.25 से 1 दोनों के अंदर कॉमन है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आप 3 तक वैल्यू ले सकते हो, मतलब 3 के अंदर 1 आ जाएगा. सो कॉमन p ऑफ a इंटरसेक्शन b दैट इज 0.25 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x लेस देन 1, मतलब 0.25 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x, मतलब 0.25 तो 0 to 1 के अंदर भी है और 0.25 to 3 के अंदर भी, लेकिन आप 3 नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पर 1 तक वैल्यू लेनी है. सो 0.25 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x लेस देन 1. सो कॉमन a और b के अंदर कॉमन वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगी. Now example number 16. For two independent events A and B, P of A 0.5, P of B 0.7, and we have to find A dash intersection B dash. 16. P of A 0.5, P of B 0.7, and we have to find A dash intersection B dash. So P of A, तो P of A dash मिल जाएगा. P of A dash means 1 minus P of A. P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. So 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5. B dash means 1 minus P of B, 1 minus 0.7, that is 0.3, and we have to find A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A dash into P of B dash 0.5 into 0.3, so that is 0.15. Now next example 17. P of A is equal to 0.8, P of A intersection B 0.25, and we have to find P of A minus B, means A and B difference event of A and B. So P of A (0.8), then P of A intersection B 0.25, and we have to find A minus B A minus B is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B 0.8 minus 0.25, that is 0.55. Just we have to apply the formula here. Next example 18. P of A 0.3, P of A intersection B 0.03. We have to find B upon A. So example number 18. P of A 0.3, P of A intersection B is 0.03, B upon A that is P of A intersection B upon P of A 0.3 divided by 0. A intersection B, that is 0.03 upon P of A 0.3. So 0.03 divided by 0.3. So answer that is 0.1. So answer that is 0.1. Example number 19. If P of A is equal to P of B is equal to K for two mutually exclusive events A and B, find P of A union B. P of A is equal to P of B is equal to K, and we have to find A union B, we have to find. So if A and B are mutually exclusive event, so at that time A intersection B is equal to 5. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then A intersection B is equal to 5. A union B, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B नहीं होगा क्योंकि A and B are mutually exclusive. So A intersection B is equal to 5. Now here P of A. Now what is the value of P of A? P of A is equal to K. P of B is equal to K. So K plus K become 2K. So here P of A is equal to P of B is equal to K. We have to find A union B. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then A intersection B is equal to 5. A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A is equal to K. P of B is equal to K. K plus K become 2K. Next, example number 20. If P of A dash intersection B, that is 0.45, A intersection B is equal to 5, then find P of B. So here 20. P of A dash intersection B, that is 0.45. A intersection B is equal to 5. A intersection B is equal to 5. 5 means 0. We have to find P of B. So A dash intersection B is given, so just we have to apply the formula. P of A dash intersection B, or you can also say B minus A. Formula that is P of B minus P of A intersection B. So here now we put the value A dash intersection B, that is 0.45. P of B we have to find. A intersection B is equal to 5. 5 means 0. Then we change the place, minus 0 become here. So nothing is changed if you add 0 in any value. So the P of B, that is 0.45. So A dash intersection B is 0.45. A intersection B is equal to 5 means 0. A dash intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. 0.45. P of B we have to find minus 0. So final answer 0.45. Example number 21. Two events A and B in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. If P of A is equal to 1 by 3, find P of B. So here P of A is given 1 by 3. Then we have to find P of B. And here word is given. Two events in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then P of A intersection B is equal to 5. And if A and B are exhaustive event, then A union B is equal to U. So here we have to find the answer. So here A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. So A intersection B is equal to 5 and A union B is equal to U. Now we apply the formula of A union B, that is P of A plus P of B. Because A and B are mutually exclusive, so A intersection B is equal to 5. A union B is equal to U, so the value of U, that is 1. P of A, that is 1 by 3, and P of B we have to find. Here P of A is given 1 by 3 positive. If we change the place, 1 by 3 become here, that is minus. So 1 minus 1 by 3, that is P of B. 3 1 ja 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the value of P of B, that is 2 by 3. Again I repeat. P of A 1 by 3. P of B we have to find. A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. means A intersection B is equal to 5, and A union B is equal to U. A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. A union B is equal to U means 1. P of A 1 by 3 plus P of B. 1 by 3 we change here, so minus 3 1 ja 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, so P of B that is 2 by 3. Now example number 22. 2% items in a lot are defective. What is the probability that an item randomly selected from this lot is non-defective? So 2% are defective items. Percentage is always dependent on 100. So here, example number 22. Event A selected item is defective. So 2% is defective. So 2 divided by 100, that is 0.02, and here answer is required. Non-defective. So event A, that is defective item, and we have to find non-defective means event A does not occurs. That is A dash. A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. So 1 minus 0.02, that is 0.98 answer. Event A dash, that selected item is non-defective. So P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. So 1 minus 0.02. So the answer that is 0.98. Now example number 23. State the number of sample points in the random experiment of tossing 5 balanced coins. Now if we tossed coin 5 times, so if we tossed one coin, there are two events H and T. If we tossed one coin 2 times, so 2 square 4. If we tossed a coin 3 times, so 2 cube 8. 4 times, so 2 power 4, 16. And 5 times means 2 power 5, that is 32. So 23. Balanced coin tossed 5 times. Random experiment, that is 2 power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So answer that is 32. Now 24. State the number of sample points in the random experiment tossing 1 balanced coin and 2 balanced dice simultaneously. So here we have to toss the coin as well as 2 dice साइमल्टेनियसली. आपको एक कॉइन टॉस करना है और साथ में जो 2 डाइस है उसको टॉस करना है. सो हाउ मच रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस. अगर एक कॉइन है तो अगर आप उसको टॉस कर दो 2 इवेंट ही पॉसिबल है H एंड T. और 2 डाइस को भी टॉस करना है। If we tossed 1 dice, there are 6 experiment, 1 2 3 4 5 6, लेकिन यहाँ पर डाइस 2 है, मीन्स 6 स्क्वायर 36 इवेंट डाइस के मिलेंगे और कॉइन के 2 इवेंट मिलेंगे, जो 2 इंटू 36, टोटल आउटकम्स आपको मिलेंगे 72। सो हियर 24 tossing 1 coin and 2 balanced dice together total सैंपल स्पेस। तो 1 कॉइन है तो 2 ही इवेंट पॉसिबल है, और डाइस 2 है। अगर एक डाइस होता तो 6 इवेंट पॉसिबल है, लेकिन 2 डाइस में 6 स्क्वायर पॉसिबल है। सो 2 6 स्क्वायर 36। So total outcomes of random experiment, that is 72। 1 coin का 2 और 2 dice का 36। तो एंड है, तो एंड का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो 2 इंटू 36 72। नो 25, is it possible that P of A is 0.7, P of A union B is 0.45 for 2 events A and B of sample space? So here value of given, तो देखो वैल्यू क्या है, P of A 0.7 है, and P of A union B 0.45 है। So is it possible or not? A union B का मतलब इवेंट A occurs और इवेंट B occurs और इवेंट A and B both occur together, तो A union B की वैल्यू P of A से तो ज़्यादा ही होगी। अब P of A 0.7 मतलब 0.70 है और P of A union B 0.45, तो A union B में तो A और B का टोटल करना है। अगर A 0.70 है तो A और B का आप टोटल करो तो 0.70 से तो ज़्यादा ही होगा, क्योंकि प्रोबेबिलिटी कभी नेगेटिव तो होती ही नहीं। सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, तो आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा। सो it is not possible because P of A union B greater than P of A is possible. It is not possible because A union B always greater than P of A, लेकिन यहाँ पर A union B की वैल्यू P of A से कम है, so this is not possible. 26. 2 cards are selected one by one. Look the word one by one with replacement from 52 cards. State the number of elements in the sample space of this random experiment. So out of 52 cards we have to select it 2. डायरेक्ट लिखा होता है सिलेक्टेड 2 तो 52C2 होगा, लेकिन क्या लिखा है 2 cards are selected one by one with replacement. With replacement का मतलब ये 52 कार्ड्स हैं आपके पास, आपको 1 कार्ड लेना है। अब जब दूसरा कार्ड जब सिलेक्ट करो तो उसको आप वापस कर दो तो वापस से 52 हो जाएंगे, तो फिर से एक कार्ड आपको लेना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड विथ रिप्लेसमेंट। तो पहले 52 है, अब 1 कार्ड सिलेक्ट करो तो 52C1 होगा। अब दूसरा कार्ड लेना है तो ये जो कार्ड आपने सिलेक्ट किया उसको वापस कर दिया तो फिर से 52 हो गया, फिर लेना तो 52C1 होगा। विदाउट या लिखा विथ रिप्लेसमेंट वर्ड यूज किया है उसमें। अगर विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट होता तो क्या होगा 52, एक कार्ड सिलेक्ट किया तो 52C1, अब उसको वापस नहीं करना था 51 है तो फिर आपको 51 में से एक कार्ड लेना होगा तो 51C1, लेकिन यहाँ पर विथ रिप्लेसमेंट है तो 1 कार्ड सिलेक्ट किया 52C1, फिर उसको वापस कर दिया तो फिर से 52 हो गए, फिर वंस अगेन 1 तो 52C1 इंटू 52C1 होगा। सो हियर 26 2 cards are randomly selected one by one with replacement. Total random experiment and पहले 52 में से एक कार्ड सिलेक्ट किया 52C1, अब दूसरा कार्ड लेना उसको आपने वापस कर दिया और फिर एक कार्ड लेके इंटू 52C1, सो 52 इंटू 52 करना है, दैट इज 2704 आपको आंसर मिलेगा। 27 for 2 independence event A and B, P of B upon A 1 by 2 and P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 5. Find P of A. So here 27, the value B upon A, that is 1 by 2. P of A intersection B 1 by 5. One by 5. Find P of A. So we apply the formula B upon A. That is P of A intersection B upon P of A. B upon A, that is 1 by 2. P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 5. P of A we have to find. तो यहाँ पर जो मल्टीप्लाई का रिलेशन है वो डिवाइड में चला जाएगा। सो P of A is equal to 1 by 5 अपॉन 1 by 2 है, तो ये मल्टीप्लाई का रिलेशन उसको डिवाइड में ले लिया। सो P of A is equal to 1 by 5, उसको रिवर्स कर देते हैं, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर कर देते हैं। सो आंसर दैट इज 2 by 5 मिल जाएगा। B upon A 1 by 2, A intersection B 1 by 5, P of A we have to find. B upon A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. So 1 by 2, 1 by 5 upon P of A. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई का रिलेशन उसको डिवाइड कर लिया. अब डिवाइड नहीं करना तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा. सो आंसर 2 by 5. Now last example of chapter 28. Look the example. 1998 tickets out of 2000 tickets do not have a price. If a person randomly selected one ticket from 2000 tickets, then what is the probability that the ticket selected is eligible for price? तो यहाँ पे 2000 tickets है and 1998 tickets do not have price, means 2 tickets have price and 1998 tickets do not have price. So we have 2000 tickets, and if a person randomly selected one ticket, out of 2000 one ticket is randomly selected, that is 2000 C1. So n is equal to 2000 C1, that is 2000. Event A, the ticket selected is eligible for price. The ticket selected is eligible for price. तो उसने एक टिकट सिलेक्ट की, उसके अंदर उसको प्राइस मिलना चाहिए. तो प्राइस वाली टिकट कितनी है 2 और सिलेक्ट कितनी करनी है 1, दैट इज कॉल्ड 2C1, दैट इज 2. सो n is equal to 2. So probability of event A, that is P of A is equal to m upon n, 2 upon 2000. अगर डिवाइडेड बाई 2 करें तो 1 upon 1000. So 2 tickets have price, 1999 do not have price. So out of 2000 one ticket is randomly selected 2000. Event A, the ticket selected is eligible for price. तो प्राइस वाली 2 टिकट में से एक लेगी 2C1. P of A is equal to m upon n. So answer 1 upon 1000.